Hello everyone, Aman here for Mr. Phone, and in this video I'll be reviewing the recently launched Noise Earbuds Mini. So let's get started. Also, we're giving away 2 units of the Noise Earbuds Mini to 2 lucky viewers. So if you wish to participate, then don't skip this video. Instead, watch the video carefully so that you know the exact rules of the contest. If you have seen the Apple AirPods, then I'm sure these Earbuds Mini right here are going to remind you a lot about them. But design aside, the Noise Earbuds Mini doesn't cost a bomb. Their retail price has been set at 1,499 rupees, and for the price, they are a no-brainer. In terms of fit and finish, they come in this glossy plastic case which is light and small, Noise branding at the front and rear. They also come in an all black finish if you don't prefer the white. So the case weighs about 27 grams. The earbuds themselves weigh about 4.5 grams each. At the bottom you'll see an LED indicator, a reset button and a USB-C port for charging. Yes, a USB Type-C port. Now this doesn't help for faster charging speeds, but hey, I can use my common USB-C charger to charge these, which is great. But yeah, as for charging times, well, not the fastest. The case takes about 2 hours to fully charge, while the earbuds themselves take about 1.5 hours to go from 0 to 100. I would also like to tell you that the clasp here offers a very satisfying sound when you open and close it, and yeah, it can easily be operated via one hand. Taking a closer look at the earbuds, well, each of them has dedicated mics, so you can use one earbud at a time for taking calls or stuff. As for the comfort, well, Noise has used good quality materials, and even while I was wearing these for long sessions, they did not hurt my ears. And as for the fit, well, see it for yourself. This is how they fit. They fit snug in my ears, and even when I move around or do anything with my head, they stay at their place. However, since there's no ear tip, keep in mind that this design is something that either fits you or not. Okay, in terms of call quality, I would say the individual mics on each earbud at this price is a good addition, and overall you can expect decent quality. These earbuds also come with touch functions as well, and they work pretty fine. So for calling, if you press and hold either of the earbuds while receiving a call, well, the call is rejected. A double tap on either earbuds answers or disconnects the call. You can also summon your phone's assistant by triple tapping. For music controls, a single tap on either left or right lets you decrease or increase the volume levels. Double tap on either side to play or pause a song. And finally, long press and hold on the left earbud to go to the previous track, while a long press and hold on the right earbud takes you to the next track. Now let's talk about the main thing, that is the sound output and the connectivity. And as for connectivity, you are getting Bluetooth 5.0 here and what Noise calls hypersync technology. Basically expect instant connectivity right after you take it out of the case. It is that good. I tested this with my Realme X7, with my Mac, with my iPhone 11 Pro, and it worked flawlessly with all those devices. However, I wish there was a solution for easily switching between devices. What I mean is that if my Noise Earbuds Mini are connected to my laptop, and in order to connect them to my phone, I will need to reset them, which can get kind of annoying. Otherwise, no issues regarding connectivity. And as for the sound experience, Noise has given 14.2 mm drivers in the Earbuds Mini, and for what it's worth, the Buds Mini sound good. I feel for the asking price, you get good amounts of bass on this thing. I think the mid-range tones sound decent. The highs are fine, although to my ears, the lows did sound a bit underwhelming. But then again, as I said, for the asking price, there's not much to complain here. In terms of battery life, I was easily able to use the buds in one go for about 3 hours at around 60 to 70% volume. Noise says the case adds about 11.5 hours extra, and in real life I can easily vouch that you will be able to use these buds for about 2 days on a single charge, which I think is good. Although there's no easy way to know about the exact battery left in the earbuds, so that could be a problem for some. Otherwise, no major issues. So should you buy the Noise Earbuds Mini or not? Well, without a shadow of a doubt, of course you should. For 1499 rupees, I think they offer good sound, good features, good battery life, and as I earlier said as well, for its asking price, the Earbuds Mini are a no-brainer. If you want yourself a nice sounding pair of TWS with a good bass performance at an affordable price tag, get the Noise Earbuds Mini. Alright, I know you guys have been impatiently waiting for me to give you all the details about this giveaway, so here's how it goes. All you need to do is to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You need to follow us on Twitter and Instagram. You need to comment below as to which color do you want to win along with your Twitter and Instagram usernames. And yeah, you need to tag 3 people on either your Instagram or Twitter. We will be closely monitoring the whole thing, so make sure that you follow each and every rule carefully in order to qualify for the contest. Entries close on 13 June at 3 p.m. which is a Sunday, and I will be announcing the winner 6 p.m. the same day in the evening. So make sure that you are tuned in to our Twitter handle. Smash the like button if you liked what you saw, and definitely share this video with others. As always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.